While taking the leap into adulthood can be daunting for new graduates, from finding a job to organizing their money. There's a lot of financial stress on young adults.
And joining us today is local financial professional Ashley Terrell from Burns Estate Planning to share some tips for them to achieve financial independence. Thanks for being here with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
All right. So what are some of the financial challenges for graduates as they immediately leave school?
So the number one hurdle is probably student loan debt. The cost of college is expensive. So on average, those graduates have $40,000 in student loan debt.
That's the average.
On average, yes. And then on top of that, only 35% of new graduates, so you're thinking 18 to 24 years old, consider themselves financially literate. So they have a lot going against them.
What about the job market? Is that contributing to their financial struggles?
Absolutely. So the rise in technology and AI have definitely contributed to their struggles. In May, the unemployment rate for new graduates was 6.6%, which is the highest it's been in decades.
Oh my gosh. So immediately after finishing college, what can these young people do to kind of organize their finances before they find that job?
The number one thing is to create a budget, actually knowing how much money you're spending, what's going out, and what's coming in so that you can go from there. And the number one thing is also, as you get those pay increases, make sure that you're not increasing your lifestyle and that you're paying yourself first.
So once they find a job, what's a good way to manage their money?
One of the first things I suggest is creating an emergency fund. This is anywhere from 3 to 6 months of living expenses, and I know that that seems very, very hard at first, especially with your first job. But even $10 a month, anything towards that emergency fund is going to be all of the help whenever it comes to replacing vehicles or getting a new job.
That's also important. Anything else that graduates should know about?
Controlling your debt. If you miss one student loan payment, that can decrease your credit score of up to 100 points. So that's going to change the trajectory for the rest of your life, whether it's getting a car loan or a mortgage. So you want to make sure that you're setting yourself up for the future and also contributing to retirement accounts.
A lot of helpful information. Ashley, thanks for being here with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.